Hey friends, local Florida gal here. I am in the Once Upon a Magic Market, and this month's theme is Upside Down from Stranger Things. I am so excited. Thank you again for having me. And let's do a little checking out and a little shopping. Let's do this. But first up, let's check out Lay Low Lie collection. They have amazing drinks. And this is an 11's electric. So, oh, we just got light. Yay! This is delicious, guys. A must-have. Check them out. Next month, they have this market every month. So come there all the way in the back usually. Just go straight to them. Look at all the great stuff they have. I am so excited. They do not disappoint. Cheers. Okay, so here we have Castle Fires.
Yeah, but it's
they've got a lot of cute stuff. Look at these cups. Little trinkets. All customized. This is a very popular thing in these markets, where you can spend a little money, get a mystery bag, and it's always a surprise. And they've got as low as $6. That's super cute, guys. Look at these coasters. Let's see over on this side. I love these type of cups because they are glass, and I love their glass straws. Look how cute this shirt is. Oh my gosh, it is a Toy Story themed Haunted Mansion stretching room shirt. This is great. Look at all the Stranger Things props. We have Coastal Live Creations. We've got a bunch of cute stickers, keychains.
Yes, she's gonna make her. Yeah, she's gonna make her round.
Here we have Made by Magic Designs. These are their QR codes, so you can shop online, and you can also follow them on Insta. Look how cute this little cup, the sipper, the bow. They have the Mickey-shaped glasses here. Here we have Cocoa Sweet Treats, and look at all this cotton candy, people. And here is the QR code if you want to follow them. Check out Cheesy Dreams. And here we have Mystic Sugarworks RPG Candy. Check out these little snackies. They are hard candies. And how cool is this, guys? We have candy wands. Right in time for spooky season. It's a QR code to follow them. Here we have Mando Panda bags. Check out these super cute tote bags. Oh my gosh, you have Donkey Kong. What? Really cute. God, they have everything. How creative. This is why we love the small shops, people. Oh, and it's embroidered. Here we have Whippy Kits. Here we have some sugar scrubs. And they look delish. Here we have the magical corner. Let's check them out. Look at all their charms that you can purchase. of stuff, but the stuff that makes them super special is these guys. How amazing. And they have ones that light up. What? And here we have Joyful. This is their QR code if you want to go ahead and give a follow on their Insta. Check out how cute all their merch is. Here we have Animagus Underworld Arts. Look at their cute Harry Potter pins. I'm obsessed. And here we have Magical Ear Shop. Look at this hairball, how cute. And this is Lunar Mermaid. They have got bath bombs that have little surprises inside. Cute. And this is Didi's Magic Creation. Guys, check out this shirt. How cute. And they do t-shirts. And this is House of M Studios. Here we have Candy Sweets by Erica Zepter. Here we have So Fetch. I bought the cutest sweater from them last month, and I'm still waiting for it to be cold so I can wear it, but they got really cute stuff. And they are doggy friendly. Here we have Twinkling Embellishments. I purchased some sparkles, which I'll show you later in my haul, but they are so cute. They got little Mickey sparkles, they got jewelry, they have everything. And here we have Canela tissue. How cute. I know. I say that way too many times. These are definitely made with love. And here's their QR code if you want to give them a follow. You can also come and actually get a real tattoo here. There's a book, and their prices range from $60 and up. Okay, so this is Drama Mama, and they make their art with little acrylic rubber duckies. Sorry, I didn't say that right. There's a raffle giveaway in the background. I purchased this one last month, which I showed in my YouTube overhaul. These are amazing. So here we have Dolce Spot, and check out their cookies. These are New York style cookies. So when you break them in half, they have fillings, and this is a theme for this market. Alright friends, it's time to check out my haul. First up we have Twinkling Embellishments. This is their logo and this is their QR code if you want to go ahead and follow them and check out their online store. And here we have the glitter that I purchased. It is sugar spun. It has got hidden Mickeys in it. And let's see if we can get some of that shimmer. There you go. And basically I have some now. They have a bunch of testers that you can apply and kind of check it out to see how it feels on the skin. Basically when you put it on is you take a little spatula, you just get a little small amount and you spread it, and a little bit really goes a long way. It is made with all natural ingredients. I absolutely love it. I purchased 3 as gift items last month, so now I can say it because I have gifted those items. And basically it lasts all day. The only way for it to actually come off is if you wipe your face. It is sweat proof, you can swim in it. This product is great, so I highly recommend it. So once again, next up we have Ariel and Tammy. These are bath bombs and they have a little surprise inside. I cannot wait to try these. They gave us a little sample, so thank you so much. But they have the big ball ones and you just put them in and it'll be little figures. If you just go back a little bit, I'm sure that I went by the whole area and I filmed all that. So next up we have the Whipping Kiss. So they have body butter, body scrubs, lip balm, etc. I got the Pink Peony Club body scrub and it smells like peonies. It's all natural ingredients, so I'm super excited to try it. And because I purchased it, they had a special that it came with a pH Glow Nourishing Lip Balm. This one adjusts to your pH level on your lips, so you may have a slight color tint on it. Cool, right? Next up is ESK Creations. So this is the thank you card that they gave me. And this is the QR code that you can check them out to follow. And I got a handcrafted coffee station sign, so I can put at my coffee station at home. They do everything customized. They didn't have the machine in the market because something about it needs to have ventilation, but they do custom make shirts there, so I did see that. Let me show you this again. It is so cute, and then in the back has like a little hook. Okay. Next up we have Sweets by Shayla. So I went ahead and last month I had gotten a cinnamon and it was like a big cookie size. This time I went ahead and I got Dubai chocolate cake. So this is how it comes. This is the top. And it is a good amount. It's about, does it say the ounces? It's probably, 7.3 ounces. So this is a good amount. I'm super excited to try this. All right, so next up we have Dolce Spot, which you know is my favorite New York style cookie. So I purchased the Churro Dulce de Leche, which is this one. These are big cookies, and then when you break them apart, they have filling inside and a whole bunch of other ingredients. Like for example, I bought this one last month, the Pecan Guava Dulce de Leche, and it's filled with guava and pecans. And these are big cookies, like they weigh quite a bit. And they gifted us a mini double chocolate cookie. So that's really cute. And again, that's Dolce Spot. Okay, so next up we have Made by Magic Designs, and they have earrings and whatnots, and this is what I got. They're little coffee maker earrings, and they're so cute and right up to par because I grew up with my grandma making me coffee with milk with my breakfast in these. So So I absolutely love them. And they are lightweight, they're not heavy at all. The quality up close too, the details are great. So here we have Skulls gummies. These are kid-friendly gummies. They had samples and they were delicious. So these were gifted, part of the influencer collab, and they have Scary Cherry, Violet Riot, Sucker Punch, and Wicked Apple. I tried every single one and it was delicious. So highly recommend Scully's Gummies. Next up we have Coastal Love Creations. So I saw this shirt and I absolutely love it because Alice is my favorite character. So check out this shirt. Hopefully you can see all of it. And it is already pre-washed. It is 100% cotton, so it will not shrink. And the material is a little bit between thin and thick, so it's a good one that you can wear around the fall to winter time of year here in Central Florida. Well, that's gonna do it for my haul for this month's Once Upon a Magic Market. The theme was Stranger Things Upside Down. I had a great time as always. Saw a lot of new vendors. This is my second time, so hopefully every month I'm going to see new vendors and get to check out their new products and whatnot, maybe taste some new stuff. I did have something that I didn't film is that I had a rich chocolate coffee brew with coconut milk in it, and that was in Little Lies. And so I did come back for that one, and that was also delicious, so just wanted to throw it out there. So stay tuned for next month, and let's see if we go back and check out some more stuff. With that said, local Florida gal, and have a magical day.